Hey, I'm Sammy from Binance. Today I'm excited to introduce a new feature, Live Futures on Binance Square. With Live Futures, you can showcase your real-time futures trading performance directly on your Square profile. From P&L to open positions, all verified and authentic. Getting started is simple. Just toggle on the Live Futures feature in your profile settings. Choose your privacy preferences and start sharing your live trades with the community. You decide who sees your data, everyone or only private groups through subscription access codes. As a reader, you can subscribe to your favorite traders' exclusive signals by entering their subscription access code. Gain premium, real-time trading insights and stay ahead with trusted creators. Creators benefit too. Showcase verified trades to build trust and stand out. Top performing traders get featured on the Square homepage, boosting visibility and helping you attract more followers. Creators can reward loyal followers by sharing exclusive signals via their subscription access codes. And through Binance's Right to Earn program, creators can also earn up to 50% commission on trades generated by their content. Ready to trade authentically, build trust, and earn more? Enable Live Futures on Binance Square today. Visit Binance Square to learn more.